Hello guys, it's game day and we are now heading to the BRR National Office sa muna venue actually. So we have with us Maldix. What's Maldix ron? Yay! Maldix in the building. Isang hanap. Wala ko ga-video ko Nakara mo rin. And mingaw ron guys, kay Sabado daw. According sa among Omega nga si Mami Chard, from Panama, mingaw kay Sabado. Yan, heading na sa venue. Lalaban na po. And so galakaw rami guys, kay dool ra daw ang among playing venue. So ag-asa mi according to Mami Rich. So lakaw ra sad mi para lakaw ra with me para exercise at the same time. Hapit na ang time pero carry ra daw. Maabtan ra daw. Oh my God, we're crossing here and ayan.
We're crossing the cross.
We're crossing the highway. Abot maybe ma-award ani. But
Ayan na yung mataas na footbridge.
mo na.
Ayan na yung mataas na footbridge.
And then
Mataas ang footbridge. Still safe.
oh, this one. Kanang Nagi? Oh no. Ay, train man na.
Dito tayo. Ayan,
Oh, saan nga street?
Sa Secretary Ibardolasa.
Diba? Perfect si Mami Rich. Miss ano talaga siya dahil. Miss Tourism. So, padulong na ni guys. Come on. And, blackout. According to Mami Richard, this is the tallest and the longest footbridge here in QC. So, muna magilakaw karon. Well, the team, look at that. Fast to siya guys.
Di ba namin kayo? From production numbers, Miss Bais.
Na, Miss Ba is pageant Japon. Laban. So, yun guys mga pamaa. So again, mingaw today kay it's a weekend. Yan. Imo din siya taas siya guys. Nada siya railway. So night train dire, look at that. Night train. And actually padulong ang train. Knife lang train na uy. Come on! Yan. Ayan na. Night train. Tell me you're from the province without telling me you're from the province. Ginaya sa train. Ang bagal.